Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjati Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 students. My dear students, our today's topic chapter 1, word meaning and fill in the blanks, and our lecture number is 2. My dear students, let's start our class. This is our first chapter, and our first chapter name is our environment. My dear students, we will discuss about word meaning in this class, and we will solve some fill in the blanks. Okay, let's start our class. Word meaning. The first word meaning, our first word meaning is environment. What is the meaning of environment? All the living and non-living things that surround us. The environment. What is the meaning of environment? Environment meaning all the living and non-living things that surround us. Now, second number word meaning, man-made environment. What is the meaning of man-made environment? Man-made environment means environment having man-made things. Environment having man-made things. Now, come to number 3 word meaning, man-made thing. What is the meaning of man-made thing? Thing that is made by people. Thing that is made by people. Now, next word meaning, number 4, natural environment. The meaning of natural environment is environment having natural things. Environment having natural things. And the last word meaning, number 5, natural thing. What is the meaning of natural thing? Thing that is not made by people. Thing that is not made by people. My dear students, I am repeating this word meaning. First word meaning, environment. Environment means all the living and non-living things that surround us. Number 2, man-made environment. The man-made environment means environment having man-made things. Environment having man-made things. And come to next word meaning, man-made thing. Man-made thing means thing that is made by people. Now come to next word meaning, natural environment. Natural environment means environment having natural things. And our last word meaning, natural thing. Natural thing means thing that is not made by people. Thing that is not made by people. Now, my dear students, come to fill in the blanks. We will solve some fill in the blanks from your exercise, from your book exercise. Number 1, fill in the blanks. All the things surrounding us make our days. My dear students, the answer will be all the things surrounding us make our environment. Okay, now write environment. Environment. All the things surrounding us make our environment. Now come to second number, fill in the blanks. The environment can be classified into dash environment and dash environment. My dear students, from our book we have already learned the environment can be classified into natural environment and man-made environment. So write the answer, natural environment and man-made environment. My dear students, second number, fill in the blanks. The environment can be classified into natural environment and man-made environment. Now come to number 3. Trees, birds and air are components of dash environment. My dear students, from reading that we have already learned trees, birds and air are components of natural environments. Okay, now write the answer, natural environment. We know trees, birds and air are components of natural environment, and we know what is natural environment. Natural environment means environment having natural things. Okay, now come to Fourth number, fill in the blanks. An environment having things made by people is known as dash environment. My dear students, we already learned that an environment having things made by people is known as man-made environment. Okay, now write the answer: man-made environment. My dear students, I am repeating. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, all the things surrounding us make our environment. Number 2, the environment can be classified into natural environment and man-made environment. Number 3, fill in the blanks. Trees, birds and airs are components of natural environments. And number 4, an environment having things made by people is known as man-made environment. My dear students, this is your SW, and this is SW number 1. This is our first SW, and your SW topic is word meaning and fill in the blanks. This word meaning and fill in the blanks. And my dear students, submission date is 6th February, that means Saturday, and you have to submit all SW on Saturday. And this is our lecture number 2. My dear students, hope you have understood properly our today's topic. Memorize properly all word meaning and fill in the blanks, and keep practicing at home. Do the SW properly and submit it on due date. Okay? Till then, Allah Hafiz.